Kuntal, your take on government's decision to consider GAR deferral by 2 years?
I think it's a very good news which I have got to know whilst we are in the very important tax conference. I think this is also in line with the budget speech which Mr. Jaitley had given, that he would like to have predictable tax policy and a deferment of GAR to the point of time when India achieves the desired growth. I think is very welcome and will give out a very good signal to the foreign investors, and that's what is required in the present times to capitalize on the opportunity of inviting foreign investments into India when rest of the world is also equally struggling to invite foreign funds into their own country. So it's a very welcome decision.
Right. And Kuntal, couple of points. This announcement is happening around the time when IFA Congress is going on. Your quick take on how the Congress has progressed so far?
I think the Congress has really started very well. The initial inaugural speech by Mr. Shaktikanta Das, Revenue Secretary of Government of India, gave an excellent speech which has really gone too good, has been very well received by all the foreign delegates. And as you know, the IFA Congress, the participation of foreign delegates consists of foreign investors, foreign advisors, even some foreign judges. So this kind of a message which has been given by Revenue Secretary will have very good impact and will definitely help to create a good investor-friendly climate which is required today. And I think things are looking very positive now. So this Congress is also very helpful from that perspective, and the discussions which are taking place in the Congress are also very relevant and are going to be very well received by the delegates. Okay, thank you.